Welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering large language models, or LLMs. These powerful AI tools are transforming how we interact with technology and information. Understanding how to use them effectively is a crucial skill in today's digital landscape. LLMs are advanced artificial intelligence programs designed to understand and generate human-like text. They are trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing them to recognize patterns, grammar, and context. This enables them to perform a wide array of language-related tasks with remarkable proficiency. Their ability to process and create coherent, contextually relevant text makes them incredibly versatile. From answering complex questions to assisting with creative writing, LLMs are becoming indispensable. This session will equip you with the knowledge to harness their full potential. At their core, LLMs operate by predicting the next most probable word in a sequence. This seemingly simple mechanism is powered by billions of parameters and extensive training data. They learn from patterns in text, not by understanding meaning in a human sense. The training process involves feeding the model massive data sets from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. During this phase, the LLM identifies statistical relationships between words and phrases. It learns grammar, facts, and different writing styles. When you provide a prompt, the LLM analyzes your input and uses its learned patterns to generate a response. It doesn't think or know in the human sense. Instead, it calculates the most statistically appropriate continuation of your text, word by word. LLMs offer a diverse range of applications across various fields. For content creators, they can assist with brainstorming ideas, drafting outlines, or even generating entire articles. This significantly speeds up the initial stages of content production. In education and research, LLMs can summarize lengthy documents, explain complex concepts, or help formulate research questions. They act as powerful assistants for information synthesis and learning. Students and professionals alike can benefit from their summarization capabilities. Developers and programmers use LLMs for code generation, debugging, and explaining complex code snippets. They can translate code between languages or suggest improvements. This accelerates development cycles and enhances productivity for coders. Beyond these, LLMs are excellent for language translation, customer service automation, and even creative writing like poetry or scripts. Their adaptability makes them valuable tools for almost any task involving text generation or comprehension. Prompt engineering is the skill of crafting effective inputs to guide an LLM toward desired outputs. It is the most critical aspect of mastering these tools. A well-designed prompt can unlock the LLM's full potential, while a poor one leads to irrelevant or unhelpful responses. The foundation of good prompt engineering lies in clarity and specificity. Avoid vague or ambiguous language. Clearly state what you want the LLM to do, what information it should use, and what format the output should take. Precision is paramount for optimal results. Consider providing context within your prompt. The more background information you give, the better the LLM can tailor its response. This helps the model understand the nuances of your request and generate more relevant and accurate content. One powerful technique is role-playing. Instruct the LLM to adopt a specific persona, such as a marketing expert, a historian, or a creative writer. This guides the model to generate responses consistent with that role's knowledge and style. Another effective strategy is to provide examples. If you want a specific style or format, include a few examples of what you expect. This few-shot learning helps the LLM understand your requirements more precisely than just verbal instructions. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of asking for a complete solution in one go, guide the LLM through a series of prompts. This iterative approach allows you to refine the output at each stage, ensuring better overall quality. Specify the desired output format. Whether you need bullet points, a table, a paragraph, or code, explicitly state it in your prompt. This helps the LLM structure its response in a way that is most useful for your needs. Despite their impressive capabilities, LLMs have significant limitations that users must understand. One common issue is hallucination, where the model generates factually incorrect or nonsensical information with high confidence. Always verify critical information. LLMs lack true understanding or consciousness. They do not possess real-world knowledge or common sense in the human sense. Their responses are based on statistical patterns from their training data, not genuine comprehension or reasoning. Their knowledge is limited by their training data cutoff date. LLMs cannot access real-time information or events that occurred after their last training update. Therefore, they may not be aware of recent developments or current affairs. Bias is another critical limitation. Since LLMs learn from human-generated text, they can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in that data. This can lead to unfair, prejudiced, or stereotypical outputs. Critical evaluation of responses is always necessary. Using LLMs responsibly involves acknowledging their ethical implications. Misinformation and disinformation are significant concerns, as LLMs can generate convincing but false narratives. Always fact-check information, especially on sensitive topics. Privacy is another key consideration. Avoid inputting sensitive personal or confidential information into public LLM tools. While many providers have safeguards, the data you input might be used for further model training or stored. Be mindful of intellectual property rights. While LLMs can generate creative content, the originality and ownership of such content can be complex. Always ensure your use complies with copyright laws and ethical guidelines. Responsible use also means being transparent about when AI has been used to generate content. Disclosing AI assistance helps maintain trust and avoids misleading audiences. It fosters an environment of honesty and accountability. For those looking to push the boundaries, consider chaining prompts. This involves using the output of one prompt as the input for a subsequent prompt. This allows for multi-step reasoning and more complex task completion. Explore different LLM models and platforms. Each model has unique strengths and weaknesses. Experimenting with various tools can help you find the best fit for specific tasks and achieve superior results. Integrate LLMs with other tools and APIs. Many LLMs offer programmatic access, allowing you to build custom applications or automate workflows. This opens up possibilities for creating highly specialized AI-powered solutions. Stay updated with the latest advancements in LLM technology. The field is evolving rapidly, with new models and techniques emerging constantly. Continuous learning will ensure you remain proficient and leverage the most current capabilities. Mastering LLMs is an ongoing journey of learning and experimentation. By understanding their mechanics, applying effective prompt engineering techniques, and acknowledging their limitations, you can unlock their immense potential. These tools are not just for experts, they are for everyone. Start by practicing with simple prompts and gradually increase complexity. Pay attention to how the LLM responds to different phrasing and instructions. The more you experiment, the better you will become at guiding these powerful AI assistants. Remember to always critically evaluate the output and use your own judgment. LLMs are powerful tools, but they are tools nonetheless. They augment human intelligence, rather than replacing it. Embrace them as partners in your work and creative endeavors. Thank you for joining this guide on mastering the use of AI LLMs. We hope this session has provided you with a solid foundation to confidently explore and utilize these transformative technologies. The future of AI is exciting, and you are now better equipped to be a part of it.